In this demonstration, we're going to show you how you can configure the EPM and ServiceNow integration. The first step is to download the integration on the ServiceNow platform. To do so, we navigate to the Application Manager. Here, we open up the ServiceNow store. In the ServiceNow store, we're going to search for the CyberArk integration with EPM. After you click that, the application will be loaded within your environment. Next step is to create an EPM API user. To do so, we navigate to EPM and to the administration section. Once you create the user, make sure you specify the right permissions on the account or in the specific sets. Next up, we're going to configure the integration on the ServiceNow platform. After we've downloaded the integration and enabled it in our tenant, we can search for CyberArk EPM settings, and we can click on New. Here you specify the EPM login URL and the API user that you've just created. Under JIT access and elevation, you can enable the just-in-time access request, specify the default duration for a policy, configure if you want to kill all running apps after the policy expires. And finally, here's also where you can enable the automatic approval based on an existing ticket. Under ticket settings, you can specify if you want to parse the ticketing and define a ticket prefix for the tickets that you want to leverage for the automatic approval. The final step of the configuration is to retrieve the EPM sets where you want to retrieve the events from. After you've retrieved the EPM sets, you can select the different sets that you want to apply this to. Make sure you click Update to save the configuration. And then we continue with the final step of the configuration, which is the scheduled query within ServiceNow to automatically pull the events from EPM. To do so, we navigate to the EPM scheduled query. The default is set to schedule the query on every hour. At most, you can specify it to do it every 5 minutes. Scheduling it more frequent than that can affect performance. You've now completed the configuration for EPM and ServiceNow.